Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back for day 2 of my VEDA vlogs. And today's question I'll be answering is, how do you keep your West Indian roots while living in North America? I thought this would be a fun question to answer. It shouldn't be very long. But I do want to point out how I think that my experience as a first generation American is very different from people who are born in the West Indies, and also is different from people who are born from American parents. And I would like for you all to leave a comment below and let me know if you're a first generation American, whether you're Caribbean or from Africa or from wherever. And the reason why I say it's a different experience is because I feel like we don't fully fit in either category, whether it's West Indian or whether it's American. Yeah, and I mean, I feel like I am West Indian American. When people ask me what do I connect with, that's what I connect with. I connect with being West Indian American. I was born here, I was raised here, and that makes me American. However, my family is from Guyana. I have family members who are married into my family who are Trinidadian, and so I was raised by West Indian people with West Indian traditions and ideals, and that makes me a nice healthy mixture of West Indian and American, and that's who I am. You know, I have friends who are American, you know, they don't see me as the same as them. And when I say American, I mean they were born in America from American parents. They don't always see me the same as them, I noticed. And I have friends who were born in the Caribbean and they don't see me the same as them either. So it's kind of like a weird place to be. But I feel like, so I'm from New York City, and you may know New York City is a place that a lot of immigrants tend to go to, whether you're West Indian, whether you're African, whether you're European, wherever, no matter where in the world. The New York City is a place that a lot of us go and congregate and build our communities. So if I've always lived in West Indian communities, whether I lived in Brooklyn or Queens, I've always lived in an area where there were a lot of West Indian people, West Indian American and West Indian people. So that is how I am able to connect with my West Indian roots. I'm surrounded by us all the time. And obviously family gatherings, growing up with my family cooking West Indian food. I go to West Indian restaurants and eat all the time, so I don't feel disconnected. Maybe because I wasn't raised in Guyana, so maybe if I was raised in Guyana, I may feel a little different about that. But being that this is all I've known is being West Indian American, and that's my experience, and I feel very connected to that. And I think that's about it. Leave me a comment below, let me know your experience. If you're West Indian, if you're West Indian and you're living in America, North America, let me know your experience below. If you're first generation, I would love to hear your experience, especially see if we have that similar experience of not feeling quite accepted by either or. But at the end of the day, I don't feel like it's at the end of the day, it doesn't hurt me. You know, I understand my experience may be pretty unique. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.